The Sun Joe SPX3000 XTREAM. You name it, you aim it. Grime is gone. Sun Joe's best-selling pressure washer, now made even better and more powerful. The Sun Joe XTREAM's grime-busting maximum pressure of 2,200 pounds per square inch and maximum flow of 1.65 gallons per minute mean the toughest cleaning jobs are as easy as points and spray, clean, restore, transform. The secret to the SPX3000 XTREAM's superior performance is its exclusive Extreme Triple Action Power. Watch. Extreme foaming aerates detergent and shoots it up to 15 feet for maximum coverage while keeping your feet safely on the ground. This foam cannon is the choice of professional car detailers and auto enthusiasts around the country. Extreme cleaning power is focused with 4 quick connect nozzles in a range of spray patterns, from 0-degree pinpoint jet to 40-degree fan spray to tackle any cleaning challenge with ease. Extreme rinsing means no job is too tough to rinse away dirt and grime for a Sun Joe shine. That's Extreme Triple Action Power, and it changes everything. The Sun Joe SPX3000 XTREAM is an easy-to-use home pressure washer that's built with professional quality. A heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose features rugged, high-tensile wire-reinforced tubing over a smooth inner core to minimize pressure drop, the same engineering used in commercial gas-powered pressure washers. The lance is stainless steel, the highest quality in the industry. The full-size fittings are solid brass, featuring all-metal connections that prevent leaks and maximize performance. And the Sun Joe XTREAM's eco-friendly 13-amp motor delivers gas-like power with the ease and convenience of electric. To last longer, run quieter, and quickly build pressure. You'll love the efficiency of Sun Joe's Total Stop System technology. Press the trigger, it starts. Release the trigger, it stops. Power when you need it, and only when you need it, to extend the life of your motor and save on energy use. There's no better time to win the war on grime. And go with Joe, the Sun Joe SPX3000 XTREAM. Get equipped.